Yo guys, so I'm going to do the trade recap from yesterday. I couldn't do it earlier, unfortunately, but I'm gonna do it now. So, also, if you hear a little bit of more background noise, I'm sorry, but I'm in my school, so it's the best I can do. So, okay, so on December 12th, I actually took a break even short, and that I did already did a trade recap. And then today I actually made $704.30 on my eval. So I'm going to quickly do the trade recap and say how it went. So um, coming into the day, we were we were okay. So we were here, and so basically I'm going to delete this because you guys probably have already seen it. So we had these two relative equal highs, and we have this daily massive fair value gap unmitigated. So I think this week you can go up to here. So, or I thought at the beginning of the week and yesterday. So what I was thinking was, okay, we just inverse this bearish gap. We are respecting this bullish gap so far, and I wanted to be bullish, right? And this was an obvious drawn liquidity as well. Um, and yeah, this was an obvious draw. So going into the hourly, um, let's play price a little further. Yeah, so CPI came up and took out a high. So now this was the high that we had, and so yeah, we were still respecting this bullish gap. So going lower into the 15-minute time frame. Um, so yeah, on the 15-minute we opened up this gap, which was basically it was this intermediate low inside of this 5 minute. The 5 minute comes all the way up here. This was our intermediate low. So I wanted to see this hold to look for longs up to this high, which was not a that high, but it was still like an obvious high. So what happened was going into the 1 minute chart, we can see that okay, so as soon as market open, we come down, we take out our low, and we are holding this gap. So I didn't want price to come much lower because otherwise we would probably go for the data low. So um, yeah, what then happened was we got a super strong V shape, and we inversed the 2 minute. We inversed the 2 minute gap. We inversed the 2 minute gap, and we inversed the 3 minute, which was the highest time frame inversion. So the take profit would be all the way up here, but I can only make $1,000 on my eval because of the consistency rule. So I initially had my take profit at 200 ticks and 200 ticks. Okay, we're not 201, but it's the same thing. We can see that we chop, and then yeah, I would have hit TP and I would make 1,000, but I actually moved it a little further, which I shouldn't have done. Um, and then I manually closed out the position. Like I closed it on this candle when I saw that we were starting to reverse. I closed it. So yeah, that was pretty unfortunate. I would have got break even, so that was a good close to save my profits. And yeah, that's basically the trade. So we got a liquidity sweep. We were delivering from this fair value gap. We we got nice volume, nice momentum, a V-shaped recovery. We what else did we have? We had clear targets, which was this high. We also had an SMT, so right here we also made an SMT. So that was pretty much the trade. Pretty good trade in my opinion, and it for me was an A plus setup. So yeah, that's how I made 700.